still miss you, can you call me? Yeah, I heard I should join that you still ballin'.
Welcome back to the channel. So this is a video I want to talk about with the truck, right? About when you get a lifted truck, the struggles you get. So check this out. Now I'm parked and kind of go back right now. You see I'm parked right here. Look how tight it is. To even the passenger trying to get out is trouble. So I'm gonna show you the real, what people don't talk about. Look at this. And then let's not even get to the height of the truck. Look how close it is to the concrete above. So this is something I'm definitely, you know, if you considering a freaking lifted truck, that's what comes with it. And a full-size truck, matter of fact, not just a lifted truck, but a full-size truck, is the struggle it is to freaking park this crap. And where I work at, you can't park in reverse because I guess you get a ticket or whatever because it's private parking, so they need to see your license plate. But look at the spacing. So you almost have to be perfect. You know, nothing is perfect, of course, but look at the size of the wheels and how much space it is in between there. So this is just true facts, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to bring videos like this to show you the real when it comes to, you know, driving in a lifted truck and having to park and just the things that come with it. The truck is nice, of course, it looks amazing, but definitely it is a huge struggle when it comes to parking. So what y'all think? What y'all think about the truck? Per usual, I got to bring it back to the channel. I haven't dropped I guess a truck video in a while, so this was a random one. I was just, you know, finishing out work. I have my camera. I usually take it everywhere I go to kind of, you know, if I need to do a video like this randomly and show you. But yeah, check this out, man. It is literally insane. I'm gonna try to open up my door. So this is the driver's side, of course. So look at the space that's remaining. I'm good to fit in here because I'm not a big person, but it's horrible. Look at me standing up. It's not much space at all, you feel me? So definitely just know it comes with having a lifted truck. It takes, look at that, this is literally right there. If I stand up here on this low, of course, make sure I don't hit their door. If I stand up here, I can literally touch this. Look at me touching this. So yeah, my head is almost here too. Look at the spacing and look at the height of the truck from where it sits to where it is right here. That is insane. Like, do you see that? And look, there's a crazy thing too. I'm gonna show you something again. A lot of the times when you try to park into a garage, they're gonna have this right here, this blue sign. So you better, you know, fingers crossed the height of the truck doesn't scrape it, because it's usually like 6 feet your truck gotta be, below 6 feet. My fault, excuse me, below 6 feet not to hit it. But yeah, just some real stuff, I'm letting you know. So if you consider getting a lifted truck, I'm telling you, you have to pay attention to all that, because you can't just go into any garages and park. And then the spaces, the parking spaces, if you can't park in reverse, that's another huge problem, you feel me? So this is a quick video. I don't think I wanted this video to run too much, you know what I'm saying? I think you get the point, right? But I just wanted to bring the truck back to the channel. I think I mentioned this in this video because I haven't been posting about it just because of life situation. You know, I got family. My family is growing, pretty much it. You know, I just be honest, my family is growing, so time is different and things are different. My life is different, but I'm still trying to bring the truck content for anyone who subscribed to my channel for it. And that's about it. So yeah. What else am I missing? Driving out of here, I will say this, I know I'm kind of yapping a little bit, but driving out of here, like I always say, you got to be watching out for that blue thing overhead. The truck don't come too close to it, but I'm gonna show you an example. If no cars behind me, hopefully not, you know, I'm hope not no cars end up getting behind me. That way I can stop right under the freaking sign and show you guys. But all right, there we go. Start up. Oh, this is something I did not mention. Sorry, this video seems like it's all over the place. Freaking getting out of here is trouble. Like, you have to adjust to get a good parking. Like, not parking, excuse me, just to reverse out and get going, or even just coming in, right? You gotta adjust a million times to get it right. Let me get some AC going. You know, it's kind of toasty in this joker. Let me get some AC. I need that AC. Yeah, give me that cold air. But yeah, I'm gonna try it right now and see. After the truck warms up a little bit, I'm gonna sit here for a couple of seconds, let the oil run through the engine. I'm like one of those people, I feel like I should never turn on whatever car, the truck, and just start driving right away. I usually like to give it time, like just let it sit a little bit, you know what I'm saying, before I start driving. I don't know, I get paranoid. I feel like you mess up your car like that. There you go, I'm reversing out. Gotta go all the way out, then start turning. All right, I'm a little close, boom. Yeah, a lot of adjustments. All right, I'm gonna quickly show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. Look how close that thing is. Insane. But yeah, I think you get the point. But reversing out took me like freaking, I would say, at least 4 tries before I could get out. But if you enjoy this type of content, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then yeah, until next time, y'all, take it easy. Peace. Something you want to pay attention to when, I guess, parking in the garage is this right here, this little yellow thing. It tells you the height that is allowed to get in here. So it's something you definitely need to pay attention to. But yeah, buddy. But now we off. We going home right now. I know yeah, we going home right now. Smooth day, but check out. Boom. Look at the views.